Hello, my name is Fabian Milonik. Today we are live at the Control Show in Stuttgart. I'm an application engineer for Brucali Kona. Today we will talk about optical measurements and how it helps you to improve your quality assurance in terms of roughness measurement and artificial intelligence measurements. Let's go to the measurement system. In quality insurance, everything is about traceability. Why you should use an optical device? Because when you create data, you can always go back and see what you have measured in the past. So, how will this be made? In terms of measurements, you are always just creating a data set, and this data set will be inspected. Today I want to show you at first a roughness measurement according to the new ISO standard, and also a grinding grain analysis based on artificial intelligence, which helps you also to improve your skills. In terms of, as you can see here, we have a surface of a grinding grain. As you can see, the grinding grains will be directly detected, and as a result, you get a coverage about the percentage of the field area. As you can see also, it gives you all standard parameters in terms of roughness measurement. You have an RA, an RQ, a set, which gives you information about the surface.
So we got some questions from the audience, Fabian.
Okay.
One of the questions were, can we use this device on any surface, on any sample and materials?
Yes. In terms of roughness measurement, you can use it for every surface. You just have to measure it and define your profile length according to the new ISO standard. In terms of artificial intelligence, there has to be a little bit of pre-work be done. You have to make some data sets. You have to separate the grinding grains from the surface by your own. This has to be done by hand. So you have to learn the program how a grinding grain looks like. But in the end, you have to give it just to the artificial intelligence software. It trains the program, and afterwards you can give the trained file to our software, and you get the result, which classifies or segmentates the surface into grinding grains and normal surface. Good question. Thank you. Is there another question?
There was another question. You mentioned already the traceability, and this question goes in this direction. So is the surface texture measurement, so as well the profile-based and the area-based roughness, are they compliant with the latest ISO standard?
Yes, they are. If you are very interested about the new roughness standard, you can also go to our website from Brucali Kona and see the article about the latest standard. Then you can see also what has changed in the past.
There's one more question regarding automation. So you showed now manual roughness measurements. How does the automation work? Is it possible?
Automation will be done by a standard teach-in procedure. This means you have to go one time to your sample and teach it in, where is it located, and then you define the measurement. Afterwards, you just have to start it again and save it, and then you can just get your results as you know it from other devices and from our devices.
What is the software that you're using for this?
Currently, we are using our latest software of MadMax. The big benefit is that you can also check your system if there's any collision or something else, and if your measurement position is reachable without any crash. This means a more user-friendly interface for measuring. It's more about what you want to measure and how do you want to measure.
Right, these were the questions that I saw so far. Is there anything else that you want to tell the audience?
The most big improvements currently are the measurement speed. And yeah, also the possibility for an easy automation.
So that's a live measurement now?
Currently we are live measuring.
And this was already taught in MadMax, the measurement?
Yes, it's an automated measurement, and you can just start it again and again.
So this includes the measurement of the data as well as the evaluation of the roughness parameters?
Yes, at first we are capturing the data, we are doing it as we are used to it. We are defining a lower border, we are defining an upper border, everything between will be measured. You get a 3D data set. This also gives you the opportunity, if you want to change your evaluation, then you just can go to the position and check it again. As you can see,
looking good, it's all in spec.
Yes. Everything is measured, and we just got our RA again. And we see there is our data set, and if we want to change something in terms of lambda C or the filtering, we can just go in the software and change it. We can also change the profile path length. It still exists. And we can just start it again.
Perfect. Fabian, thank you so much for your insights on what is new in surface texture. So we saw measurements done according to ISO standards automatically with MadMax, and the addition of surface detection plugins that help you to use AI to do labor-intense work automatically by the system. Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure.